Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube, hit that bell notification button. Here we have the myCharge.com Adventure Ultra. This is a rechargeable 13,400 milliamp hour portable charger. This thing is pretty darn amazing and I love it. It's been a great performer for us. I even love the little LED screen it's got on there. You can access to where you can plug things into it like your laptop computer to keep it charged, or you can just use the USB point of it for your phones, tablets, whatever you want to take and do. And so pretty awesome. You can charge while your laptop is open. You can charge where it's closed. It's pretty freaking nice. It's got 8 times the extra battery. It's built-in AC power port, 2 built-in USB-A ports, and a built-in USB-C port. It'll do just amazing stuff. You can plug in the device into the AC power output, press power, turn on the Adventure Ultra, plus the AC button until the screen reads on, and it powers the device. Pretty simple and easy to do. You just push the buttons, and it even tells you like up to 100% how much you have in percentage basis that you can take and use, and when you need to take and charge it back up. It's only about 1 pound, a little over 1 pound, and I got to tell you, it works like a charm. I super love it. It's got smart sense technology, hypercharge, power stay, max power, high density battery, and safe cell, rapid recharge, and pass through charging, where you can charge the power bank and a device, keep it going simultaneously. So very cool that way. Be sure to check it out. Go to mycharge.com, the Adventure Ultra. Like I say, I love this. I've been really just in love having a nice laptop charger to take with me. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time.